Hi everyone, welcome. In this lecture, I want to show you guys limit keyword. For example, when we can need this limit keyword, let's say we have so many data in our table. Let's assume we have 100 records in our table and we want to get just 4 of them or just 5 of them. In this situation, we will need to write limit keyword. Let's come to our new SQL file and I will say select asterisk from company, and I will write here this limit keyword. Okay, I will say limit and just, for example, 4. In this situation, I will get only first four records from my table. Let's click run and you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. I just saw 4. Let's change this to 7. You can see I just saw 7. Though here you can see here, guys, I have 11 elements, I have 11 records, but I just saw 7. Okay, so let's assume that, let me remove this. Let's assume you want to get all the users. You want to get all the users, for example, after 4, or you want to skip first 2 or first 3 here, and you want to get users after this 3. What you can do here. I will come here and I will say, get me the user, select asterisk from company limit. I will write, for example, 5 and comma, let's write just 2. Okay, in this situation, I should get all the users. Let me close this. I should get all the users after 5 and just 2 users. I think I will get 6 and 7. Let's run the SQL. You can see I just saw 6 and 7. Because when you write here comma, that means pass 5 users. After passing 5 users, get me the first 2 users. That's why I just saw 6 and 7. Let's write here, for example, 4. In this situation, you will see 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, and you can order also this for the something. Actually, in the previous lecture, we saw how we can order. I will come here and I will say order by, for example, let's order this for salary and descending order. Okay, let's click run and you can see 6, 1, 2, and 11. I just get all of this. So guys, let's write here just, for example, 3. If you click run here, you will not see 11. I just saw 6, 1, and 2. So guys, this was our limit keyword, limit operator. So we can see how we can use this limit keyword. And we said this comma is used for skipping. For example, I said here skip first 5 data, first 5 record, and then get me the first 3 record.